Indian Premier League IPL 2024 Gujarat Titans team new and final squad. Number 1 Abhinav Manohar. Number 2 David Miller. Number 3 Kane Williamson. Number 4 Sai Sudarshan. Number 5 Shubman Gill, captain. Number 6 Azmatullah Omarjai. Number 7 Rahul Tewatia. Number 8 Shahrukh Khan. Number 9 Bijay Shankar. Number 10 Matthew Wade. Number 11 Robin Means. Number 12 Riddhiman Saha. Number 13 Darshan Nalkande. Number 14 Jayant Yadav. Number 15 Joshua Little. Number 16 Karthik Taigi. Number 17 Manav Shooter. Number 18 Mohammad Shami. Number 19 Mohit Sharma. Number 20 Noor Ahmed. Number 21 Rashid Khan. Number 22 Sai Kishore. Number 23 Spencer Johnson. Number 24 Sushant Mishra. Number 25 Umesh Yadav. Dear viewers, who is your favorite player of this squad? Let us know by commenting. And if you think a sports informative video, then please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.